Hello, and today we are doing a fun little makeup tutorial, really quick and easy, with the Colourpop Blush Crush eyeshadow palette. To start off with, I'm quickly priming my face and popping on some concealer onto my eyelids just to act as a primer. The first shade I'm going in with is called Cheek to Cheek, and as you can see, I've also put some tape along my eyes. This is because I'm going to do a smoked out wing look and I really want to perfect that sharp line. So I have used tape for this look. With that first shade, I am buffing it all into the crease and also down where that shadow wing will be. This eyeshadow look is actually really special to me because on this day is when I went shopping for my wedding dress, and this is the look I did for trying on wedding dresses. So I really hope you enjoy it. I loved this look. I thought it was really beautiful.
I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you.
The next shade we are going in with is called The One, and I'm using this at the very top of that transition shade to give it some warmth and also help blend it in a little bit better to my skin. We're then going to grab this really beautiful deep mauve shade, and I'm going to grab a bit of a smaller brush and go along that tape to start that shadow wing.
Wind up your body, girl, no matter. No pattern. Give me any how you feel,
And I'm also gently pushing any excess into the crease area to deepen that up a little bit as well. I tried to leave a lot of these clips in real time so you can see just how long it takes me to blend. And you can easily follow along, hopefully.
baby, hold me gently. I know you want me.
We're now going to grab this really beautiful shimmery shade, and I'm popping this all over my lid.
I know you want me. I know you want me. Want me. Gently, kiss my lips so gently.
Going in with the deepest shade in this palette, I am going to deepen up that shadow wing even further, keeping it nice and tight along where the tape is and near my lash line.
You give me butterflies every time I see you. Stay around, what's the odds that you love me? You give me butterflies every time.
Using the Super Shock shadow in the palette, I'm pressing this in my inner corner to help make it pop and appear nice and bright. My favorite part of the whole look. It is tricky to do with my finger, so I need to try and find a tool that can apply the Super Shock shadow formula in this area that's not my finger because it's really difficult to apply.
Keep it coming.
Using a liquid liner, I'm going along my lash line to help my lashes appear thicker. And I'm quickly going to do my face makeup. We're just going to speed through this and fly through it and just watch the transformation take place. Yes, so this is the makeup I wore when trying on wedding dresses. What an experience. It was so fun. I really wanted to film it, but unfortunately I wasn't allowed to. I did end up finding my wedding dress there, which is really exciting. So I cannot wait to share some wedding footage with you all of planning and creating heaps of DIY stuff for the wedding. Let me know what you want to see wedding related because I'm in full swing wedding planning mode.
You give me butterflies every time I see you. Stay around, what's the odds that you love me? You give me butterflies every time I see you. You, the one that saved me from my nightmares. I'm finna run it up, getting this money. Shout it to the high life, living in the furnace, sliding 4x. Lean to the honey, bet high when odds are so low. Try to stack my hundreds, turn up with no question. She about that money, yeah. Gonna keep it coming. Throw it, no discussion. Can't pipe down.
This is the finished look. I didn't put any false lashes on. This is just all natural mascara, keeping it nice and simple. I really love how this makeup turned out. I wanted to create really bridal-like, just so it felt as if it could be the real day, so I knew exactly how the dress and my makeup would pair. I went along and curled my hair as well because you know, trying to keep a bit fancier, trying to look a bit more dressed up when you're trying on things. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick makeup tutorial using the Colourpop Blush Crush palette, and I will see you all in my next video.
You hear me now? Can you see me now? Are you with it, baby? Can you feel it now? Don't sweat it, or you regret it. I'm just living life. Plus you is better. It's green when you come over here. Sometimes it doesn't make sense. I wonder if it fit in. Mugler can't see in my lens. You give me butterflies every time I see you. Stay around, what's the odds that you love me? You give me butterflies every time I see you. You, the one that saved me from my nightmares. So I'm finna run it up. Getting this money.